How to reset control center settings on iPhone iOS 18. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can reset control center settings on your iPhone iOS 18. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, in iOS 18, to reset control center settings to their defaults, you can follow the steps in this video. First, open the settings application. Now swipe down to find control center and tap on it. In the control center menu, you will see reset control center option. Tap on it. Then tap reset control center at the bottom of the page. This will reset your control center layout to factory defaults. So guys, as you can see that all control center settings have been reset. Guys, if you have not installed iOS 18.1 and later version in your iPhone, then this feature will not show up in your iPhone. If this feature is not showing up in your iPhone, then you can reset all your iPhone settings to reset the control center. The reset all settings will reset your iPhone system settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, VPN and app permission settings, as well as the control center settings layout without deleting data. For this, open the settings. Now swipe down and tap General. Then swipe all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. This will reset all settings and your Apple Pay cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted. Now tap reset all settings to confirm that you want to reset your iPhone's all settings. Now your iPhone will shut down and restart and the control center layout will be reset.